Here we have a Commodore PC 10 motherboard, and it was in storage for around 20 years. And if you look closely, you can maybe spot the problem already. As you can see, the battery has started to leak and begins to corrode the board, so we have to replace the battery and stop further damage. To replace the battery, we first desolder it, then clean the PCB, and then resolder a new battery. I cut open the shrink tubing of the battery pack, and the pack consists of 3 nickel metal hydride cells, and only the upper 2 have leaked. The 2 cells have separated from this one. This makes desoldering so much easier because you don't have to desolder 3 points at a time. This solder pad here is gone. These 2 look fine. This one is not a big problem. It's only on the component side, and the other one on the other side is fine, and also this is only ground. So even if both pads were gone, you can easily bridge that to any ground point. We have to look now if there's some damage under this cap here. I've looked under this cap, there is some corrosion we have to clean off, and here's some corrosion on these resistors and these diodes. The lags on these ICs here are not really damaged, but we have to clean them at least. I desoldered these 2 electrolytic caps and started to clean the area. As you can see, here's some corrosion left, also here on this via. And I have to get this all, as you can see, that's pretty loose. And then we can recap this. I don't use the old caps, I just ordered some new ones because they are 30 years old and they're leaking anyway, so I just replaced them. Just a short look from the underside, all contacts look fine, so there's no problem resoldering new components. This is the new battery pack. I just ordered it via eBay and it cost me about €5 delivered. Just make sure the battery has some charge left when you get it. Sometimes they sit around for quite a while in the warehouse. So I will try to reflow this and also this and this via here, because as you can see, they are also very, very corroded. This looks better. I just had to re-tin this part of the trace because the solder mask has lifted off because of the corrosion under there. And I also re-tinned these 3 vias here, but this pad here is completely gone. The last thing to do is to solder in the new battery pack. Soldering done, and this is how you replace a leaked battery of an old motherboard or an old game console or something like that. See you next time.